Hi, my name is Chef Nandan Dattani. I teach here at the Manju's Art of Cooking. I teach Diploma in International Culinary Arts to the students out here. So today's topic is cutting and chopping of the vegetables for the beginners. So let's get started with the same. So in the basics of cutting and chopping, first thing जो हम आपको बताएंगे that will be chopping of onion, how we do it in the restaurants. So for that I am using a peeled onion. I have just removed the skin of it. First we'll make slits. First we'll make the slits. जैसा आप देख रहे हो मैं उसको पूरा नहीं काट रहा, I am just cutting it till the bottom, but I am not slicing the full onion. So मैंने ऐसे slits कर दिए उसको. Now I'll make the cross slits so I can get a good, nice fine chopped onion at the end. Now I'll cut the onion into the half and slowly start fine chopping because slits are already there, so the fine chopping will be absolutely nice. Last I'll just bunch the remaining onion and slowly fine chop the rest of it. So I'll be repeating it, onions with the cross slit, and I'm So this is a fine chopped onion. This can be used for preparation of gravies, kadai masala, and it can be used for side accompaniment for the Indian dishes like pav bhaji also. So the second cut will be the roundels of the onion, which are used for green salad or any other salad dishes, and it can also be used as a side accompaniment for Indian curries along with the breads. So for this I'll take a peeled onion, I'll hold it tightly like this on the chopping board, and with a sharp knife I'll slowly cut the roundels. You can see nice onion roundels coming. Now if you have got difficulty in holding the onion or placing of the onion, there is a small tip what you can do. You can make a small cut at the side of the onion, small cut, so the onion stands by its own, so it is easy for you to hold the onion while slicing it. With the help of the cut, I will be able to cut the slices more easily. So these are the roundels of onion. So the third cut of the onion would be the juliennes of the onion, which you can use for making of kachumbar salad, and also you can use for deep frying of the juliennes for the birasta or for the garnishing the fried onion what you are using. So for that I will take a peeled onion. Once again I will cut it into half, and since I want my juliennes to be good in the length, I will be finely slicing them. Slowly with the help of the fingers I will be separating the slices, so I get nice thin juliennes of onion, which I can use for kachumbar salads, and I can deep fry them for birasta, which can be used for garnishing of pulao and biryani. So now I will show you julienne cutting, which is usually used for Chinese and Oriental dishes and specially for the noodles and everything. So for this I am taking a peeled carrot. After this I will be taking cabbage and capsicum also, and show you the juliennes of carrot, cabbage and capsicums all together. So the peeled carrot, for the juliennes first, there are two ways how you can cut it. I will make thin slices like this, nicely lengthwise cuts. These cuts are called as diagonals. These are also used for salads. Now from the diagonals also I'll bunch up the diagonals together and slowly start cutting it into fine juliennes. You can see these are nice fine juliennes of carrot which can be used for stir fry dishes and also for the noodles, and these can also be used for garnishing as well as other salads also. Now I will show you batons of carrot. For that I will remove the top and cut the carrot into thick slices, like you can see how I am doing. Batons usually are used for salads, so for the batons you can see these are the thick batons of carrots. Now I will show you how to cut the chiffonade of the cabbage. Chiffonade is basically cutting cabbage into very fine juliennes. So whenever the juliennes are cut from leafy vegetables, they are called as chiffonade. So for that I will first slice the whole cabbage, keep it like this, and with the help of a knife I will finely you can see how I am holding my knife and cutting it. This is a fine chiffonade of cabbage which can be used for making base for the salads, for the plating, and also this can be used for garnishing and for the noodles in the Oriental or Chinese cuisine. Now I will show you two cuts of baby corn. One will be the fine juliennes and one will be the diagonals of the baby corn. So for the diagonals I will take a baby corn and lengthwise I will cut the diagonals. Whenever I want a fine cutting, I will use one finger to keep the pressure on the knife. So here you can see these are fine diagonals of the baby corn which can be used for stir fry dishes. The next cut will be the thin juliennes of the baby corn, which is again used for Oriental cuisine. For that I will cut the baby corn first into half. The half of the baby corn I will lightly cut into thin strips or juliennes. If I want a cutting for a soup, so I can always bunch up the juliennes and further chop them like this, so they can be used for making of soups and also in the rice preparations. Now from a nice yellow bell pepper, I will show you how to cut juliennes as well as triangle dices which are used for dishes like paneer chili and all. So first I will cut the bell pepper into half. I will take a knife and slightly deseed it because I do not want any seeds. For the dices, I will first cut into strips and alternatively make cuts to get the nice triangle shape from a strip. So these are the dices and the triangles of the bell pepper. For the juliennes of bell pepper, I will thinly slice the bell pepper first and finely cut it into juliennes which will be used for the noodle preparations and also for the salads and for the stir fries. So a small garnishing which will be a rose made from tomato peel will be now shown to you. For this I will take a nice red tomato, slowly make a small cut on the top and tilt my knife so I can peel the skin. Just see, I am peeling off the skin of the tomato which I will be using to make the garnish. Now from the peel, I will slowly start folding it and make a nice rows of the tomato, which can I use for garnishing of platters and for the salads. So, this is the entire presentation of cuts of vegetable, which you can do at your home and try in the various dishes.
Hope you like this recipe. If you have any queries, contact us on 07940304399 and WhatsApp number 9687587879. And stay tuned on our Facebook and Insta page at Official Manju's. Thank you. For our professional and short-term courses, please visit to the institute. We will be happy to help you.